Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch the 3 Plus wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not pairing or not syncing with your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history, clear all the settings so that you can set this speaker up basically like it's a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do this really easily. What we want to do is, first of all, we're just going to unplug the speaker, both from the wall and from the cable. Unplug it from the speaker and also from the wall. Once we do that, we'll wait a few seconds. You can plug the plug back into the wall, but not into the speaker yet. And then we're going to come and we're going to press and hold down this selector wheel. We're going to press and hold it down. And while pressing and holding it down, we're going to plug the plug back into the power cord back into the speaker. Just keep holding this, keep holding this, keep holding this until the source light goes to the phono setting, and then all the lights will turn off. Once that happens, then you can let go and just wait. Once that happens, it might take up to like 30 seconds for that to happen. Once that happens, it's basically been reset, and give it another like 10 seconds. It will turn back on automatically, and you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.